All right, guys, so mind mapping. I'm sure many of you have used this also as a strategy for brainstorming. And maybe you used it like in English classes to help you organize your thoughts and your writing. So this is going to be similar, but in design mind mapping, we're just going to put anything that comes to our mind and not really worry so much about organizing our thoughts like for different paragraphs or things like that. So let me go ahead and describe this to you. So let me see if I can make myself smaller. Okay. So mind mapping, according to the author of our textbook, is a form of mental research that allows designers to quickly explore the scope of a given problem, topic, or subject area. So of course, we're going to start with a central idea, and that's going to be like our center bubble. So you just put your topic in the middle of your paper, and you can put, a square around it, a circle, whatever you feel like, or nothing at all. I like to use bubbles, and then branch out from there. So first, maybe you think about, well, let's see. So you branch out and then you can organize it. So the branches can represent categories such as synonyms, antonyms, related words, etc. So you'll start with your central idea and then just think of anything that comes to mind. So you could say, is like this one, um, is not like this one, sounds like this one. Let me give you an example though, that will help, I'm sure. So this is a mind map that I made using PowerPoint a couple days ago now, but I did it really quickly though. I started with cotton. It's just something that I'm somewhat familiar with in ag just because we're surrounded by it here in Lubbock. And then from there, let me pull out my handy dandy laser again. I like that. So cotton is my central idea here in the middle. From that, I just thought of whatever words came to mind. Soft was the first one. And then from soft, I said, soft to me, that's like quiet and smooth, even though raw cotton is not smooth. If you've ever had the pleasure to get some of that, we actually have a family farm here and we don't farm a whole lot of cotton on there. And actually, someone else does it for us now, but my grandma still owns it. So we like to go out there and see the crop every year. But the cotton, it is not smooth when you first get it. However, when you get your cotton clothes, they're nice and smooth and soft, right? So soft is the first thing that came to my mind. Next was fluffy, which of course, fluffy, I think of like a cloud or cotton candy. Um, Cotton is also a crop. So it made me think of, we have irrigated fields and then dry fields out here. Gets into some sustainability issues, things like that. Cotton is also durable, so that made me think of strong and hard work. And then from here, I might go on. So maybe with quiet, I think of someone saying shh, or smooth, I think of glass, or maybe after cotton candy, I think of like blue and pink, or, just whatever comes to your mind here. It's really not about being right or even having, it's not about being right or even having ideas at this point that you're going to move forward with in the future. It's just thinking of as much as you can and jotting it down and just getting your mind to expand beyond just the word cotton, right? Okay, so now let's talk about format mode and resolution so that y'all can export your projects in a nice, usable manner.